If you're obsessed with street art and urban culture, Europe is a great destination for you to visit. Street art is much more than splashes of color on a wall to pose in front of, and true art fans know this. Once you dig a little deeper, you'll find these urban pieces can be a lens into the bold, thought-provoking stories the citizens want to tell. Europe is home to tons of other artsy destinations that stand out because of the way they merge history, philosophy, and culture. Here are top 5 European cities for street art lovers. 5. Bucharest, Romania. Bucharest may not be one of the first cities that comes to mind when you think of European street art, but it is worth the visit for many reasons. Travel to Eastern Europe continues to rise in popularity year after year, and many are catching on to the once overlooked travel gems that are many Eastern European countries. Much like many other countries in Europe, the remnants of a difficult history fuel the narrative in the art. Street art in Bucharest does just that. With tons of graffiti and murals across the city with politically charged messages that may not be understood unless you get the proper background information. Bucharest is a top choice for those who want to begin the journey of exploring the artistic gems of Eastern Europe. 4. Berlin, Germany. Berlin is praised as one of the artsiest cities in Europe and is a long-reigning hub for urban art in Europe. The city is overflowing with beautiful graffiti and powerful political art that grabs your attention. The famous remnants of the Berlin Wall is an obvious go-to for many Berlin tourists. There are several murals and artists to learn about in Berlin if you take the time to find it. Our recommendation is to stroll along the East Side Gallery or take a Spree River boat cruise to take in the massive gallery in all its wonder. 3. Bristol, United Kingdom. The United Kingdom has its share of iconic cities to visit, and if you're hunting for great street art, Bristol should definitely be on your list. The cutting-edge art on every corner and the fact that the famous graffiti artist Banksy hails from this city should be enough to make you book your ticket. The city has plenty of great murals gracing bridges, alleyways, and back streets throughout the city. Neighborhoods like Southville and Bedminster are hip areas with plenty of art to soak up. For street artists and fans, Bristol has to be on the top of your list. 2. Lisbon, Portugal. The colors filling the streets in Portugal at every turn are enough to make travelers and photographers swoon. Walking the streets of Lisbon often feels like walking through an ancient artist's backyard. The streets paved with abstract cobblestone, and the buildings are covered in colorful azulejos, or traditional blue Portuguese tile. On top of the mesmerizing colors and culture, the bold murals throughout the city are exceptional and a must-see for street art tourists. Lisbon should be a top pick for the European street art scene because of the city's dedication to public art and the unique way that it blends modern art with the traditional Portuguese style. The azulejo is the famous blue tile that is a marker for Portuguese architecture and design because it can only be found in Portugal. Urban art enthusiasts can fantastic street art through the old neighborhoods like Alfama and Barro Alto. Alfama's windy, hilly streets are filled with both smaller art pieces and large, bold art installations. Lisbon is bursting with exciting art around every corner, and who love vibrant colors with intricate details will feel right at home. 1. Athens, Greece capital. Greece can often be overshadowed by the lure of the crisp white and blue Greek Isles when it comes to tourism. But anyone who's a fan of street art can't miss the city of Athens. In recent years, Athens is becoming known as a street art haven. On any street that you peek down, your eyes are met with colorful paintings that have rapidly starting to pop up in recent years. The rise in street art in Athens has coincided with the country's wrestle with the economic crisis, since depicting the strife of a country deep in the throes of a financial crisis are on every corner in Athens. The surge has caught the eyes of locals, street around the world, and art-hungry tourists. Nevertheless, art has always served as a canvas for self-expression for artists and a source of inspiration for those who view it. Most of the art in Athens is fairly recent, which makes experiencing Athens as a street art tourist a unique one. You're walking through the streets of a city currently writing history in the form of bold colors and murals on every corner. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe to Top5.com.